Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys? Guys, today you are looking very happy because today you are the first day in the class because this time the class is going for the economics and yesterday I have already introduced myself that I am Professor Zahid Hussain. I am a tutor of economics. Today we will start the first lecture of economics and this subject is also totally new for you, but I will teach you in a very easy way that you can understand each and every term of economics. First of all, we will define how we can define the economics. For example, when you will go to the class, when you will go for the interview, when you will go for the job, at that time the someone can ask a question can ask a question from you that, hello brother, can you define the economics? Then you can define in such a way. For example, first of all, how we can define define definition of economics. Actually, the economics is also a science, same as you can say that in the chemistry, in physics, in biology. Same we can say that the economics is also a science in which we will study about the wealth. And wealth, when we will study about the wealth will deal with the four things. First of all, the production of wealth. How we can produce the wealth. For example, number one, the production of the wealth. Production of the wealth. It means how we can produce the wealth. How we can produce the wealth. For example, if you want to produce a wealth, then we will discuss the four things. First of all, if you want to produce the wealth, number one, we need the land. If you want to start a business, then first of all, for every type of business, you need a land. Without land, you can't do any business in any corner of the world. Secondly, the labor. Labor, it means if you have no labor, then you can't do any business. And thirdly, the capital. Capital means wealth, money. If you have no money in your pocket, if you have no asset, then how is it possible you can start your business? And fourth point, the organization. Organization. Organization means the owner who will manage each and everything, who will consume the money, who will purchase the land, who will manage the labor, who will manage the capital. That is called the organization. Organization means owner who want to do a business and just the purpose of that organization to get the maximum profit. If he will manage all these things in a proper way, then he can get the maximum profit and the maximum wealth from that business. That is called the organization. And okay guys, today we have discussed about the production of the wealth. If you want to produce the wealth, then we will study the land, labor, capital and organization. Today we have finished this lecture. Inshallah, I promise with you that tomorrow we will start the next topic that is used, that is required for the wealth. For example, next topic will be the consumption of the wealth. How we can consume the wealth. That topic we will study tomorrow. Thank you so much for the time. If you want to any question from me, then you can ask. Okay, no problem. And in the end, I advise you that when you will attend the class, when you will attend the lecture, at that time you should ask a question so that I can explain each and everything and you can understand each and everything before finishing the class. So today, thank you so much. One more thing, now you can go to your other class.